This is more Dave's cup of tea. Old police bikes. Well, not old police bikes, but they're police bikes. See? David taking picture of the police bikes.
Yeah, this is FJ.
They are Yamaha FJRs, he says. I know they're Yamaha because I recognise that sign.
BMWs?
Oh, and a BMW. There's lots going on. Not quite sure who's doing what.
Well, that's a German town. And all those lads that were running down the road.
Yeah.
Two one's called Buttercup and the other one's called Daisy.
Oh yeah, oh that's nice. Yeah, apparently they're tank wheels, I wouldn't know. All sorts of bits.
The only reason I know is because I've seen the boys, Mr. Hughes.
Oh right, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what that looks like, a sort of.
What make it is?
Hey?
What it is?
It's sort of. I wouldn't have said it was American or but anyway.
Might be a mock-up.
Yeah. Might be road wheels.
Well, I've been calling on mine anyway.
Ça par contre c'est du truc.
That's the business end. You said that's the business end?
Yeah, but look at all the marks with it.
Yeah.
6 mètres 06.
It's a fair few hits, isn't it?
60 km d'autonomie.
This is a museum on Omaha Beach. All sorts of things here. Just noticed this. Is it a bike? Is it a tractor?
No, mug tractor.
It's different. Omaha Beach Museum from a different view. And there's Alan Turing, isn't it?
Yep.
I was just going to film this.
Yeah, fine.
A minute.
Wait. These are obviously the ones we saw the other day.
I think so.
The other two might have already gone. Anyway, we're taking our Calvados back to the van, aren't we? Yeah, apple juice, yeah. We was only going to have one bottle, but the bloke decided that we needed 3.
Yeah, it was. We asked for 1 bottle and he gave us 1 box of 3 bottles, which is, well, they're €3.50 each, so it was €10.50. So
But to be honest,
it's not bad. Really.
it's not.
The Calvados was a lot more expensive.
Yeah, which will only be used on special occasions. It was fair stuff.
Oh, it is. Oh, yes, more like whiskey then.
Yeah, it's a. I'll try Mr. Dennis on it and see whether he can hack it. He's most probably had some, to be honest.
Oh, sorry. I'll just take the apple juice. It's nice too. We've got 3 bottles.
It will. We'll put one in the fridge. You think?
Yeah, I mean, apple juice is nice. We did have a board.
Yes, you did. Magri Dutch bus.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got another one there, look, which is another weirdness.
I think anything.
Merle Blanc. That's white, isn't it? Blanc.
Blank is white, yeah.
Merle White.
No.